Hey guys, a brother of mine sent me a video recording of an horrifying sound his wife's phone was making while she was accessing her Amazon app. I often say none of these devices are meant for us. They all will turn on us one day. They all have a master, and it's not you or I.
Lest Satan should get an advantage of us, for we are not ignorant of his devices.
What time is it again?
And the whole earth was of one language and of one speech. And it came to pass, as they journeyed from the east, that they found a plain in the land of Shinar. And they dwelt there. And they said one to another, Go to, let us make brick, and burn them thoroughly. And they had brick for stone, and slime had they for mortar. And they said, Go to, let us build us a city, and a tower, whose top may reach unto heaven. And let us make us a name, lest we be scattered abroad upon the face of the whole earth. And Elohim came down to see the city and the tower which the children of men builded. And Elohim said, Behold, the people is one, and they have all one language, and this they begin to do. And now nothing will be restrained from them which they have imagined to do.